What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And today I'm going to be doing my Q&A today, always after SmackDown. So I got a couple of questions. Two are from Wrestling DVD Central. And I actually have four, because one question is from a subscriber. I don't remember his name. But he's talking about a championship that have to do with the WWE legends. I'm gonna say it was WWE Biggest Fan 97, but I'm not for sure. But shout out to you if you ask this. But first, what are your recent pickups? I just did a video, but I can show them again. Doesn't matter. The first one is from actually on last Friday. I just forgot to show it. Revolution 2021. A 2-disc set. A review is already on my channel of this. So, Kenny Omega versus Jon Moxley, Ricky Starks and Brian Cage versus Sting and Darby Allin, which is my favorite match on this card, and Omega and Moxley. Then my second pickup. As you know, my first season of Prison Break was scratched, so I had to buy a new one. So I did that. Season 1 of Prison Break, right there. There will be a review of this soon. Here they are. Disc 1, Disc 2. And then they just... You can pause it if you want. Disc 2, Case 2, I guess. Disc 3 and Disc 4. With Lincoln Burrows. And then Disc 5 and 6. Guys, if you like prison shows, you need to get this. Dude. Every season, right here, only cost me $60. $60 about 5 months ago on Amazon. Go jump on that. Yeah, but I have season 1 right here. When are you gonna build that time machine? And then my third and final pickup was Rey Mysterio, the biggest little man. Came out in 2007. I said 2006 in my pickups video, but I was wrong. And it comes with insert. And there will be a review of this soon, because I'm about to watch disc 1 right now. Actually, I'm gonna pop it in right now. So those were my pickups. 3 pickups. So, let's get into the question I missed about 2 weeks ago, I guess. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm dealing with stuff. I am uploading a lot, but like things have been hard for me. But let's get into this. So my first question was, the Legends title. Would you want to see a Legends Championship? Like, with all the Legends coming back, like, rest in peace to Pat Patterson. I mean, Boogeyman was on Raw, like on Raw 25. Edge is back. Like, all these legends on Legends Night, like Stone Cold, whatever. Would you want to see a Legends Championship? I'm not talking about when Goldberg wins a championship. Like, would you want to see a Legends Championship so they don't have to like win like the big championship, like the Universal Championship, the World Championship? Just go after the Legends Championship. And I'm not talking about like McMahon making the championship, because he's gonna make the side plates and then put a big L in like this. We don't need this. We want it to look prestigious. I don't care. But like, come on, WWE. Make that championship like the 24/7 championship, but make it a Legends Championship. Yes, I would go for it. Good question, whoever said that last week. So we go on to Wrestling DVD Central. Who do you think will take the AEW Championship from Kenny Omega? Oh, you mean this championship right here? When he gets out of the tag team division. I'm really going to say this. I'm going to say Pentagon Jr. Or Penta Zero, or whatever he's been calling these days. I really think he can make a good champion. Or Pac, I mean, but he like just lost, so. Although I'm not for sure, but Pentagon Jr., Christian, I don't know. Kenny Omega's been on a roll. So I don't know. I'll probably be AEW champion. I mean, I have the belt. Like I called out Brock Lesnar 3 years ago. Right here. Kenny Omega, I'm calling you out. AEW Championship versus AEW Championship. Fight me. No, but in real honesty, I'm gonna say Pentagon Jr. or I hear that Daniel Bryan is probably not gonna sign with WWE. I'm not sure. Don't troll in the comments. But if Daniel Bryan comes to AEW, I'm gonna say he goes after the champion. Do you think Edge will win a championship once he comes back? No, I'm sorry. Once the fans are back. Probably. Like I said in the Legends Championship. Probably. I mean, I don't see them making the Legends Championship. I'm just saying stuff. But, yeah. He'll probably win, like, the U.S. Championship, IC Championship. I'm not sure, dude. Yeah, but thank you for all the questions. Shout out to, I want to give a big shout out to, where is it? What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick. This right here. His link will be in the description below. He makes a lot of what if videos. Like there's one, what if Chris Benoit didn't pass away? What if Guerrero didn't pass? What if the Montreal Screwjob didn't happen? What if Kurt Angle didn't quit the WWE in 2006? I mean, like this. Like, you have to hit the subscribe button to this man. Right here. So, yeah. Besides that, he's been a great YouTuber. I just got in touch with him. I gave him a couple of what if video ideas, and I'm gonna be watching one of his videos actually right after I cut this off. So guys, there will be more reviews out this week. Just give me a couple days. And all those videos and new ones will be out to your liking. And guys, thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe and hit that little bell for all of your notifications, so you don't miss an upload from yours truly, Porter Unboxing. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.